In the future, will everyone have their own custom AI-driven robot? We're going to talk about that right now. So thanks to VentureBeat for this one, and this is a very interesting article. Build your own AI-powered robot. Hugging Face's LeRobot tutorial is a game changer. Hugging Face, the open source AI powerhouse, has taken a significant step towards democratizing low-cost robotics with the release of a detailed tutorial that guides developers through the process of building and training their own AI-powered robots. This marks a significant move to bring AI into the physical world. This initiative marks a pivotal moment in the field of robotics, and I think that's accurate. Traditionally dominated by large corporations and research institutions with substantial resources. By providing a comprehensive guide that covers everything from sourcing parts to deploying AI models, Hugging Face is empowering developers of all skill levels to experiment with cutting-edge robotics technology. So this is really cool. It's giving everyone a chance. Literally everyone over time, as you'll see. So the main guy they quote is named Remy Cadine, who's a principal research scientist at Hugging Face. He describes the tutorial as a way to unlock the power of end-to-end learning, meaning they take you through it start to finish. The potential for developers to train neural networks that predict motor movements of robots directly from camera images is what we're talking about. Cadine underscored the tutorial's focus on practical, real-world applications of AI and robotics. So this is not an experimental or theoretical thing. This is a thing that can create actual useful robots in the real world. Central to the tutorial is the Coke V1.1, an affordable robotic arm designed by Jess Moss. This version improves upon Alexander Koch's original design, featuring a simplified assembly process and enhanced capabilities. Cadine tweeted, "This emphasizes the project's global accessibility." The tutorial includes detailed videos walking users through each step of the assembly process. This approach significantly lowers the barrier to entry for robotics development, making it accessible to a much wider audience. One of the most innovative aspects of the tutorial is its emphasis on data sharing and community collaboration. Hugging Face provides tools for visualizing and sharing data sets with a broad community. So this will dramatically accelerate learning and allow people coming later to do this more and more easily. If we all record data sets and share them on the hub, everyone will be able to train an AI with unmatched capabilities. Cadine hinted at an even more accessible robot that's in development now. Dubbed Moss V1, this new model promises to bring the cost down to just $150 for 2 robot arms and eliminate the need for 3D printing the original arm. So that really is making it accessible to everyone at $150. Not everyone, obviously, but a huge global audience. Virtually any company, let's put it that way. Almost any company anywhere. As industries increasingly turn to automation to solve complex problems, the integration of AI with physical systems represents the next frontier of technological innovation. And I've talked about that repeatedly on this channel, that people are going to be blown away what happens in the next 3 years only, as Jess stated on a TED video, saying that people are going to feel like they're having an out-of-body experience what happens in the next 3 years. The ability to train robots to perform tasks autonomously based on visual inputs can have profound implications across many sectors, from manufacturing to healthcare, and there's no question about that. If you can provide a system that allows robotics at $150 a pop, every company of every size is going to jump into that. However, the democratization of robotics technology also raises important questions about the future of work, privacy, and the ethical considerations of widespread automation, meaning putting millions out of jobs. That's what we're talking about, which is exactly what's coming and exactly why I started the AI Guide. Hugging Face's open source approach ensures that these technologies are not confined just to the domain of large corporations, but are available to everyone. That is a game changer, as it said at the beginning of the article. Hugging Face's new tutorial represents more than just a technical guide. It's a roadmap for the future of AI and all robotics. The future of robotics is now within reach, and the time to start building is now. As this technology matures, it has the potential to reshape industries, create new opportunities, and fundamentally change the way we interact with machines in our daily lives. So this is a huge story for 3 reasons. Why? Number 1, this enables the masses to participate in robotics. Number 2, as I've said on many recent videos, with at least 3 humanoid robots going into mass production next year, within 5 years, our world is going to start to look like the Will Smith movie, I, Robot. That's what's coming, people. Robots everywhere. I said 3 years ago that you needed to start psychologically preparing for robots being what you see in Starbucks and McDonald's. So that's number 2. Number 3, the automation. This is why I have called this channel the AI Guide, is to guide you away from easily automated activities. And by the way, automation is coming even for things you'd never think of. See the short on Friday. But the last jobs to be automated will be those that require the human touch. And I didn't come up with that idea. That was Kai-Fu Lee in his books. But he's right. Nursing, home health care, psychology, electrician, plumber, litigation in court, some aspects of being a doctor. These are things that are hard to automate. But eventually everything will be automated for other reasons. So this is actually a step-wide change in robotics. And I urge you to prepare now and get ahead of this. So thanks so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also, please support us on Patreon. New AI-driven, life-changing things are being released every single month now at conferences all over the world. And your funding this channel will allow us to go to some of those where we can bring you what's happening from the bleeding edge of AI, robotics, sensors, and all the related exponential technologies that are tied to AI. So thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.